In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. Let's dive in and get your workflow automated efficiently. First, we need to open the board where you want these recurring tasks to be set up. This could be any board dedicated to managing your tasks, projects, or even a simple to-do list. Make sure your board has all the necessary columns, such as task name, status, and due date. These columns will help organize your tasks effectively and provide clarity for anyone using the board. Now, let's navigate to the automations. At the top of your board, you should see the automations button. Click on it to open the automation center. Here, you'll find various ways to automate your tasks. To begin creating a recurring task, search for recurring in the recipes search bar. Recipes in Monday.com allow you to automate processes without coding by setting conditions and actions based on your requirements. Next, we're going to use a recurring task automation recipe. You have a few options here for automating your recurring tasks. One popular choice is every time period create an item. For instance, you might set this up so that every Monday at 9 a.m. a new task is created for a weekly team meeting. Another option is every month on this date, create an item. This could be useful for tasks like creating and sending a monthly report on the first of each month. Alternatively, there's every day, create an item, which could be ideal for those daily stand-up preparations. Choose the automation recipe that best fits your scheduling needs. Once you've selected your recipe, it's time to customize your recurring task. Start by setting how often the task should repeat, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Define the task name clearly, maybe something like prepare Friday report. You can also assign a due date automatically. It can be set for the same day the task is created or perhaps a couple of days later. Assign the task to a specific person to ensure everyone knows who is responsible for completing it. After setting up the recurring task, it's always a good idea to test it. Create one test recurring task to confirm it generates as expected. If something doesn't work as planned, you can adjust the timing or the task details accordingly. Finally, monitor your recurring tasks either in the calendar view or the My Work section of Monday.com. The beauty of automation is that these tasks will appear automatically, helping you keep track of your daily, weekly, and monthly responsibilities. With your tasks on autopilot, you can focus on completing them rather than managing them. This setup not only helps streamline your workflow, but also ensures no task slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you make the most of automations in Monday.com. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.